Down syndrome kid, special kid. She goes to a normal school. She has a shadow teacher. She'll turn 8 this Saturday.
Can I request you one thing? Can you not ask me this question in front of her? Because in front of them, you should never use these terms that she's Down syndrome or special kids. They should never be told these things in the first place. So, if the first, even before you ask me your question, I just want to tell you that never put labels on them, especially in front of them, and even when you're talking to anybody, don't. Because
Right,
the more you feel normal, the more you would see her like that.
right. Actually, I'm quite grateful that she is in my life.
Yes.
I'm full of gratitude and she has taught me a lot. But just to put it to you, I had used this.
Yes, no,
Otherwise,
for me you can, but I can see her in the background. That's why
yeah.
I'm requesting you to not say it in front of her.
Okay, okay, taken. So she goes to a normal school. It's been a week that she goes. Her school has started. My query is, she has this thing in her mind that she would not be comfortable eating in front of others. In earlier setup, she used to go to an like last year also she was in the same school, but she did not eat. She would rather prefer buttermilk. That is her favorite. So this time I also continue with buttermilk with some solids like bread, butter, jam, or a paratha or puri. Maybe she likes that. But then when I asked her, she was like, "I'll eat." If I ask her now, if her shadow teacher would ask her that you would eat in the break, she would say yes, yes, yes. And in the morning, she's like, "Where is my tiffin? Where is my tiffin?" But then she would just have buttermilk because the school is from 8 to 3. So she has I give her India breakfast like paratha, thepla, upma, our home cooked
What you
meal.
can do is you can have a word with the teacher and you can talk to her about this situation that everything else she wants to do with the other kids, only eating, she wants a separate space. And I understand that as a teacher it might be against what you have planned, but if you could just make an exception and put her in a separate space where she can finish her lunch and come back to the kids.
They are ready. Even we have asked during the last year's open house that if it's okay that we send her caretaker with the food. But then we are like, then she will be habituated with that, and she would not come out of that zone to not to eat with others. So we are just taking a while that let a month pass for her,
Okay,
then
so if
we
you
can
want to
see.
try that, you can for a month, but you don't want to do it for too long because, 8 to
Yeah,
it's a long
that,
time. Maybe she wants
yes.
to eat. Maybe she's hungry.
Yes. He tells that I'm hungry, but still, I don't know, she refrains. Every time I
I
do
would
educate.
recommend don't wait.
Okay.
Let
Sorry?
let her eat in a separate space.
When her shadow teacher tells that I'll take you to a separate room, she would deny. She would agree in front of me. But then when actually it happens, actually when it's the time, she would deny. So we have decided that we would wait for a month like this month to then I'll tell the caretaker to I'm a working mom, so otherwise I would then I can tell the caretaker to take the tiffin and then feed her and come back. And that I do sleep talk with her, but let's see, I have just started like 10 days, 15 days back. Earlier, I used to do for some other thing. Now I have switched to this that she eats in the school.
Don't just have to do it during sleep talk, you do it during the day also. You keep telling her that, I trust you will eat with everybody.
Yes, I explain, keep explaining that your heart will be strong because she has been going for this reports once in 2 years or so, and she knows that heart photo, all that Tommy will be happy, all that in a playful manner in type of the story while feeding her. I do all that, but let's see, I'm just waiting for that day. I'm manifesting, but let's see, I thought,
Yeah, it
well,
will happen. It will happen for sure because you seem like a very positive person. So, Rima, there's nothing for you to worry. It would
yes.
definitely happen. And if you, as a mother, you feel that you want to give it 1 month, give it a month and then you take a call. So, do
Because
what
then
you
I'm
have.
not thinking much. 1 week was I was very worried, but looking at her when I come back home and in the evening she's all playful and happy. I'm like, okay, let it be. If she is fine, then
Yeah.
let
So
it
just
be.
yeah,
So,
let it be and You can wait and watch, and then you can see. And see if you can replace the buttermilk with a shake.
I tried. I gave two, like chocolate milkshake and in a different compartment of buttermilk. And I said, I'm not giving you buttermilk, but she trusts me more than, so then she knows that mama will give. So she explored and then she had buttermilk, but not the like chocolate milkshake, which was made out of dry fruits and bananas and all.
Okay.
So
Great. So
like,
don't worry, just wait for some time. And she
yeah,
seems like an active child, and after 1 month, you can take a call.
yeah. Okay. Thank you
Okay.
so much.
Amazing.